If an MP3 file won't play, it usually has a corrupted ID3 tag, metadata. The music is fine, but the player is confused. We can fix the header in seconds. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's scrub the file. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There's a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest MP3 cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. An MP3 file is a compressed audio file format using the MPEG Audio Layer 3 encoding. It's one of the most common audio formats for storing music and other audio content. MP3 files are designed to significantly reduce the amount of data required to represent audio, making them easier to store and transmit, while still maintaining acceptable audio quality. This is achieved through perceptual coding techniques. MP3 files use lossy compression, meaning some audio data is discarded during the encoding process to reduce file size. The encoder analyzes the audio signal and removes components that are less likely to be noticed by the human ear. Bitrate is a key factor, with higher bit rates resulting in better audio quality but larger file sizes. Standard bit rates range from 128 kbps to 320 kbps. The industry standard application for MP3 is considered to be fix MP3 file errors and metadata tags from MPEG group. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows can handle everyday playback, but fine-tuning requires a compatible audio editor. Initiate the process by right-clicking the MP3 file and choosing Open With. Use Fix MP3 file errors and metadata tags as your first choice if available. If it's missing, move down the list. Finding the right reader might take 2 or 3 attempts. If you still cannot open your MP3 file, that is okay. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, use Media Player. Open the file using any universal media player, e.g. VLC Media Player, Windows Media Player. Next, check codecs, ensure the necessary audio codecs are installed on your system. Finally, convert format. Use an audio editor or converter tool to convert the MP3 file to a guaranteed compatible format like .wav. If the MP3 compatibility attempts failed, the problem is usually that the extension name is being used by a program you don't have installed yet. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn MP3 formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the MP3 file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Less troubleshooting, more productivity. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.